Is your Facebook profile open to strangers? Are random people viewing your photos, posts, and personal information? What if I told you that you can lock your Facebook profile in any country, even if the option doesn't show on your account? Stay till the end, because this simple trick can protect your privacy in under 30 seconds. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, the channel where you learn smart Facebook tricks, privacy hacks, and growth strategies step by step. Today, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile globally, even if Facebook hasn't officially enabled this feature in your region. No apps, no risky tools. Just the official Facebook method, simple and safe. Step-by-step guide, easy method. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for best results. Step 2. Tap Menu, 3-line icon. Now tap on the 3-dot menu icon, or hamburger menu, at the top or bottom of your screen. Step 3. Go to your profile. From the menu, tap on your profile name or profile photo to open your Facebook profile. Step 4. Tap Profile 3-dot icon. On your profile page, tap the 3-dot icon next to the Edit Profile button. This is where Facebook hides advanced privacy options. Before we start, subscribe to PreyoPhonie for Facebook tips, monetization guides, and privacy tricks. Like this video to support the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now let's lock your profile. Step 5. Tap Lock Profile. Now simply tap on Lock Profile. Again, press Lock Profile to confirm. Boom! Your Facebook profile is now successfully locked. What happens after locking your profile? Once your profile is locked, only friends can see your full posts and photos. Profile picture cannot be downloaded. Cover photo becomes protected. Timeline content becomes limited. Strangers can't zoom or screenshot your profile photos easily. Your account becomes safer from stalkers and fake users. This is one of the best privacy protection features Facebook offers. Important tip: if you don't see the lock profile option, update your Facebook app. Clear app cache. Switch Facebook language to English, US. Restart the app. In most cases, the option appears after this. Now you know exactly how to lock your Facebook profile in any country, protect your personal data, and stay safe online in 2026. If this trick helped you, like this video, share with friends and family to protect their accounts. Subscribe to PreyoPhonie for more Facebook privacy hacks, monetization tips, and social media growth strategies. Because here we don't just use Facebook, we use it smartly, safely, and professionally. See you in the next powerful tutorial.